Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about this beautiful jewelry tree by Love-KANKEI. I don't know about you, but I get my jewelry tangled quite easily, and this is literally the perfect solution. There are so many features that I just love. Starting with the base of the jewelry tree, there are these beautiful little trays made out of the wood where you can store your bracelets or your stud earrings, anything small. And then you have slots for your longer earrings, your dangle earrings. And then really you can put any necklace of any size. We have two different tiers. And the top tier is, I think, one of my favorite features because it is adjustable. We have long necklaces of all different sizes, and this won't let you leave it hanging. So you can adjust it to really any height you want. Really love that this jewelry tree helps me to display my jewelry in a sleek and elegant way, but really how it helps maintain my jewelry, keep it in good condition so that I can continue wearing it. So if you're thinking about getting this jewelry tree, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.